In this video, I'm going to show you how to type in StrawPage. Now, the first thing you want to do on your page, you want to click on the plus button at the bottom, and then you want to select any place where you want to place your text. So I'm going to click on over here, and then you can select this text button up top, and it's going to type in your text. Now, here, it's just some random text. This is the default, and whenever you click on it, you have two editors, either the classic editor, which allows you to replace your text down here, just like this, and of course, when you select it, you have a bunch of different options here bottom left, or you could also click on it, click on new editor, which will pop up this editor up here, and which will allow you to basically type in whatever you want, just like this. You can make it bold, you can make it like different color, italic, etc. And then you can just basically move this around, make it bigger, scale it by using this at the bottom, and there we go. That's essentially how you can type. Now, of course, you could also write by drawing if you wanna, but that's a bit more tricky. So if you click on the plus button, you could go anywhere in here, and you can just click on where it says paint, and you could go and basically just start typing in. So for example, I could also type in like hello, like this. Okay, now it's going to work, but still it's a bit harder, and this is essentially the best and easiest way of typing over here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.